Hi everyone, I have a small haul here from Allegory Gallery. They sent this little flyer in that talks all about them, and it is run by Andrew Thornton, who is the brother of Cynthia from Green Girl Studios, but he's also an artist in his own right, and William Jones, I think is his last name. And I don't know if he's an artist, but he and Andrew run a brick and mortar store and online store called Allegory Gallery. It is in Western Pennsylvania, which is probably about 5 hours away from me, maybe 6 even. But one day after, post-pandemic, maybe I'll just make a road trip and go visit or something. Anyway, because pre-COVID, they had online in-store classes and things like that, so I wouldn't mind going and taking a class there. So they were, I think this was from the last, no, not the last, the February, I'll call it, February 6th, Great Bead Extravaganza. They showed some wooden and leather carved pendants that they carve there themselves. They hadn't made them all yet, so I had to wait a while for them to actually make them, and that's what I have received now here. Now they just had another Great Bead Extravaganza on Facebook this past weekend, and I did place one order, small order from them from that too. But that's going to be a little different because I ordered what they're calling a house, which is a kit of beads, and they're having a competition. So when I get that, I'll tell you all about that. So anyway, allegory means a story, poem, or image that can be interpreted to reveal a hidden meaning. Woohoo! Oh, here's the card. Isn't that cool? Pretty card, guys. I really like it. We're in Ligonier, PA. Never heard of it, and they've wrapped everything so beautifully. Boxed it in here, and then it was in a padded mailing envelope. And they also gave me a flyer about Allegory Gallery, and they won the 2018 American Small Business Champion Award from SCORE, which stands for, I'm gonna say, I don't know. But it's like to support small businesses. Gosh, what does it stand for exactly? It doesn't have an exact interpretation here, I don't think. Anyway, and then it talks all about what they are. They do Facebook Lives 5 p.m. each weekday. They showcase their new products. So if you're not on the Allegory Gallery Facebook page, I encourage you to go there. I don't get to see every day's 5 p.m. show, but I try and watch some of the replays. They do have design challenges. I'm going to participate in one of those with this kit that I'm getting. And it'll, a piece will get voted on and things like that. Now, their classes, I mentioned, have been canceled due to COVID right now. And they do interviews with other small businesses and things. So, yeah, let's get opening our wooden and leather carved pendants and see what I got. Now I did see, actually, Kristen from Softflix Company, probably about a month ago. She used I think it was a wooden pendant, and she colorized it, so I may be doing that with some of these as well. Ooh, these are the wooden ones. I think they're all the wooden ones. I like natural things, in case you didn't know that. So we have leaves, like, and I'm inspired a lot by nature. We have leaves, and let's see if there's okay, that's small leaf. Here's large leaf. I got 2 small leaves. So there's a darker side, I guess, where they actually burned it, carved it out, laser cut it, or however you call it. I don't know. I'd like to see them do it sometime. And here's the honeycombs that I got. Like we have those metal honeycombs. Now I have wooden ones as well. So if you're into the trendy bee thing, there you go. We have honeycombs. and I think they'll be cool to work with. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, these are also wood. I have a bee pendant in wood, and a heart and paw, and some stars. And there's one more in this one, and a lock and heart with a carved lock. Oh, I didn't remember getting so much, but I did. Let's see, what am I missing? Oh, okay, yep. So thank you, Andrew. I think Andrew's the one that did the carving. And he's really, there's another heart paw for our kitties and things out there, and doggies, whatever. And this one is, this is bird on branch. I was like, I don't remember ordering a maple leaf, so what's up with that? It's maple wood. Alright, so the bee is out of maple wood. The stars are out of maple. The small leaf and large leaves are out of leather. The honeycombs are out of leather. They're pliable. I like that even better. The heart paws are out of maple. The heart and key is out of maple. And this is bird on a branch. Okay. I have it upside down, guys. Duh. Here's the bird, and here's the branch with the leaves. That's why I couldn't figure it out. It looked like tulips to me on something, and I'm like, huh, I don't remember that. I guess it could be tulips upside down, or where the hole is at the top. Oh, boy. The bird on a branch with some leaves hanging down. Boy, oh boy. So these are leather, these are wood. Now we're under control. All of these can be patinaed or painted, so I may try that on like one where I have an extra, in case I mess it up, like a small leaf and a small paw print one, and see how I like them or how they turn out. And I have to go back and rewatch some videos and see which patinas to use. I'm assuming you have to put gesso on first, let it dry, and then put whatever on. So I'll play with that and see too, because yeah, that's a messy thing. So I'll let you know. I'll get back to you. But I just think, even though these are leather and this is wood, I think they'll go real nice together, right? And these will probably be used separately, all the rest of these really. So yeah, fun. I'm excited. Yay. So please go check out Andrew and William on Allegory Gallery Facebook page and like their page. Try and support small businesses as we can. And I can't wait to play with these things. And also they have a website, allegorygallery.com. That's their online store, so check it out. But they also do, like I said, Facebook Lives, where you can buy from the Facebook Lives as well. And then they invoice you and you pay through PayPal or whatever. And they're pretty good about shipping if the items are already made, like pretty fast. These they had to actually make, so it took a little while. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.